This is my Axis X550 UTV. I've been using it around the property for a while now, and today I'm giving you an honest review. What I like, what I don't, and whether it's worth the money. The X550 is a mid-size utility machine with enough power for chores, trail riding, and hauling. It's not a high-end UTV, but for the price, it's surprisingly capable. Let me show you around. The interior is simple but functional. The switches are easy to reach, the dash is clean, and the seats are more comfortable than I expected. Nothing fancy, just practical. I also love the two 10-inch displays and the ability to Apple Play with it so that I can use my hunting apps and various tools like that. Out on the trail, the X550 has plenty of torque for climbing and hauling. The suspension is firm but handles uneven ground well. It's not the fastest machine, but it's reliable and predictable. For chores, this thing shines. The cargo bed is strong, the winch is handy, and it's small enough to maneuver around in tight areas. I've used it for hauling tools, moving dirt, and general property work. I find the dump feature on the bed very useful. Alright, this is my Axis X550 and I've had for about 6 months now. Pretty happy with it. About the only things I can complain about it, I guess when I first got it, the winch broke. It physically broke. They sent me a new winch and I went ahead and put it on myself. But if there was a service department close by, they would have done it for me. It was just far simpler for me to do it myself. Probably the other little minor thing I have, it's kind of loud. So if you're trying to listen to music same time you're driving it, if you're driving it fast, it's kind of loud. And I find it a little hard to shift sometimes. But usually when it doesn't want to shift, all you got to do is nudge it forward or reverse a little bit, and then it'll shift just fine. But other than that, the thing has been working fine. So I'm very happy with it. Saved a lot of money with it compared to buying a name brand. All in all, I give it a big thumbs up. Here's what I like: the price, the capability, and the simplicity. What I don't love, some of the plastics feel cheap, and the factory winch remote can be hit or miss, but overall, it's been a solid machine. If you're looking for a budget-friendly UTV for property work, the Axis 550 is worth considering. I'll keep posting updates as I put more and more hours on it. Thanks for watching.